Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this link. Go to files and scroll down and select manual download option. And select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then select this folder icon down after the download done. Click on it and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, just make it this left and right. Navigate to the game folder, and here is this. Just drag and drop the shf folder in here, and then just close stuff here and open the game. And we successfully installed the mod guys. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.